Meaning of fever.
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 Fever. Fever is a medical symptom characterized by an elevated body temperature that exceeds the normal range. It is often a sign of an underlying infection or illness, such as flu, pneumonia, or COVID-19. The body's natural response to invading pathogens is to raise its temperature in order to fight off the infection. However, high fever can also be dangerous and may cause dehydration, confusion, seizures, and other complications. Therefore, it is important to monitor your temperature regularly and seek medical attention if you experience persistent fever or other concerning symptoms.